Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRACars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about shall we buy a car in December 2022 or January 2023? This confusion will be there from ages. Everyone will ask, is the right time to buy in December or in January? Number one, it's both the same actually, but it depends on what is the date of manufacturing available in your RC. Because manufacturing date is like date of birth. You cannot change the date of birth of a person. Same way, the date of manufacturing in the car, in the RC, cannot be changed for the car. For example, you buy a car in 2023, 2022 and get it registered in 2023, but it is manufacturing is 2022, so that is the date of birth. See, people who are buying a car in December 2022 definitely will get very good discounts, and because the reason is all the manufacturers wants to clear their stock and see that they have nil stock available. In January, people who are buying should buy people who are going to use the car for 1 or 2 years or 3 years, where the resale will get affected. If they are using the car for 6-7 years, 5-6 years, the resale value, if you buy it in 22 or 23, doesn't affect. Number 2, people who wants to buy cars in 2023, you will get very less discount. And today the scenario in the automobile industry is that there is no car available off the shelf. You have to wait for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. There are waiting periods of 12 months also for cars. So availability is a big challenge. In 2022, if you are buying in December or 2023, if the car is a facelift, then only you buy in 2023. If there is no facelift, the company is not announced any facelift, you can buy in 2022 and avail the discount and enjoy the discount. In 2023, from April, Phase 2 BS6 norms are being implemented. So there will be a lot of change in the emission norms and the mileage for the cars. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think CHITRACars. Thank you.